In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or just someone managing your company's finances, keeping track of your subscription details is essential for smooth operations. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to access and update your plan, payment information, and billing history all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the subscriptions and billing section efficiently. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to get started with your account. First, log in and open your QuickBooks Online company. From your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the gear icon, which is your gateway to various settings and tools. Click on the gear icon and a menu will appear with a range of options. From this menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. This is where all the details about your QuickBooks Online plan are stored. Once you're on the Subscriptions and Billing page, take a moment to review the billing dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of important information, including your current plan, the billing frequency, whether you're paying monthly or annually, your next charge date, the payment method you have on file, and your invoice history. Next, verify your plan details to ensure everything is accurate. Double-check that your payment information is up to date, including the credit card or bank account associated with your subscription. Keeping this information current will help avoid any service interruptions. If needed, you can also update your business information as it appears on invoices. For example, if your business name, address, or contact details have changed, this is the place to make those updates. While you're on this page, it's also a good idea to compare the features and pricing of different QuickBooks Online plans. If you're considering upgrading to access more features or downgrading to save on costs, this section will help you make an informed decision. Additionally, you can manage add-ons to your subscription. Check any promotional terms you may be taking advantage of, and view renewal dates for your plan. These tools can help you customize your QuickBooks Online experience based on your business needs. Before proceeding, make sure you have the correct user permissions to access the subscriptions and billing page. If you're not the account admin or don't have the necessary permissions, you may need to contact the admin for assistance. If you encounter any issues with the page not loading or content appearing incomplete, try refreshing your browser. You can also switch to a supported browser, such as Google Chrome, or open the page in a private or incognito window. These steps can resolve most technical hiccups. Another common issue is pop-up blockers. If you find that billing-related windows or options aren't opening correctly, check your browser settings and temporarily disable any pop-up blockers that might be interfering. And that's it. You can follow these same steps anytime you need to review or update your billing and subscription details in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.